guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Abby. For those of you that are new, and for those of you returning back to watch my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Anyways, in today's video I made healthy noodles. I call it healthy noodles, or you might just call it vegetable noodles. I don't really think it's really healthy because I added oil into it, and I used just a tiny bit of oil to fry the grilled chicken and the vegetables before adding the noodles. I hope you love this video. You can make for your kids when they're going to school for lunch. It's perfect for them for lunch treats. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and share my video. I'll see you in the video. Bye. So the first thing I did was to place a pot on my stove, added water, I brought it to a boil, then added my noodles into it. And this is like, I'm actually just parboiling it. Don't boil it to the point that it will be soft, like too soft. You wouldn't like it because it will become soggy. So after parboiling it, I put into a sieve, rinsed it, then placed a frying pan on the stove, added a little bit of oil, then my grilled chicken breast. I added onions and bell and Scotch bonnet. If you're giving your kids, you do not have to add this much Scotch bonnet. Like, kids don't like too much pepper, but I was on eating it, so I added this amount. So this is me just stir frying it, and after frying for a little bit, I added my carrot into it. I stir fried it again, then I added my bell peppers, red, green and yellow bell peppers to it. Stir fried again for some few minutes, then I added my seasoning to it. In a little bit of the water from the noodles, the water I use in boiling the noodles. I just kept a little bit aside, added that to it, and stirred it for a little while to just allow the vegetables in it to get a little bit soft. You're making it for your kid, you need to let the vegetable get soft, because kids don't really like vegetables, so you have to let it get soft so they at least try to eat it. And I poured in my parboiled noodles and give it a quick stir fried it for a little while. Yeah, and I served it with boiled eggs. It's very simple, very delicious, very tasty, and trust me, your kids are going to like it. Just try to make it for them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.